Hi guys and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at how to find your very own bot token here in Discord. Now if you're new here or if you found this video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps out the channel with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so the first place you want to go to is not actually in Discord, it is actually going to the Discord developer portal, which you can very easily just Google. So I'm going to minimize Discord here. And you can see we are already logged in to the Discord developer. It will automatically log you in if you have access to Discord on your computer. From here, you'll then want to go over to New Application, and from here we'll give it a name. Let's give it the name of Trial. Oh, let's try to spell it properly. And then we'll click Yes, and we agree, and then click Create. We'll obviously confirm we are a human, of course. Let that load up, and it will give us the name of, it will give us our bot. From here, you can then see we have our ID and, of course, our public key as well. So if there's anything else you need help with, give us a comment down below. Thank you so much for